Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to display categories on WooCommerce shop page. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over to our shop page. So here's my shop page right here, and I have in here the product. So if you want to just display categories and not your actual product, click on this customize option that you can see right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to open the WooCommerce or WordPress customizer. So as you can see, we have now opened it, and then you should be able to see this left dashboard right here. So from in there, just scroll down until you can see this option for WooCommerce. Now in here, click on this product catalog, and in here you can see this show products. So click on this right here, show categories. And under this category display, just also choose this show subcategories as well. And then from in there, you should be able to see that our shop page has now these categories, which are shirt, spring, and winter. So from in there, just click on save changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.